So hello my lovely subscribers, welcome in today's video. Yes, today we're going to look at 10,000 up to 1 million. But before, don't forget here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Want to go in your Luzungu, no Luganda, Mwangu. Yes, I'm very much happy and excited because today I'm going to attend one of my students' graduation ceremony. Okay, so but before we have to start it, we know kusoma. Okay, remember here at Benny 2178 to go in your Luzungu, no Luganda, Mwangu. Okay, let's get started. Remember, we said 10,000 is called omutwalo gumu. Yes, in yesterday's video we said 10,000. This is written as 10 and 3 zeros. We say 10,000. Can you see clearly? Oh, I come this side. Okay. Let's say 10,000. 10,000. We read it as omutwalo gumu. Can you repeat that? 10,000. Omutwalo gumu. Okay. 15,000. 15, this is 15 and 3 zeros. So 3 zero represents thousands. So we say 15,000. 15,000 in Luganda tugenda gamba omutwalo gumu n'enkumi ttaano. Can you repeat that? Omutwalo gumu n'enkumi ttaano. Are we together? So omutwalo gumu n'enkumi ttaano. That is 15,000. Or you can hear some people say gumu chitundu. Gumu chitundu. So they say omutwalo gumu, this is M, U, omutwalo gumu chitundu. Omutwalo gumu chitundu, it is 15,000. At times some people might say omutwalo gumu chitundu, 15,000. Are we together? Shouldn't get confused. So 20,000, 20,000 in Luganda tugamba emitwalo ebiri. Can you repeat that? 20,000. Emitwalo ebiri. Good. Emitwalo ebiri, that is 20,000. Okay. 50,000. 50,000. 50 and 1,000. So 50,000. 50,000 in Luganda tugamba tutya emitwalo etaano. Can you repeat that? Emitwalo etaano. 50,000 emitwalo etaano, it is 50,000. Are we together? Good. 100,000. 100,000. So 100,000 mu Luganda tugamba emitwalo kumi. Can you repeat that? Emitwalo kumi. So 100,000 tugamba emitwalo kumi. Good. Emitwalo kumi is 100,000 in English. Okay, let's go to the last number. 1 million. Good. 1 million has 3 zeros. We can count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this makes 1 million. Are we together? So 1 million, we say 1 million in Luganda tugamba akakadde kamu. Can you repeat? Akakadde kamu. Akakadde kamu. Akakadde kamu. That is 1 million. Are we together? 1 million, we say akakadde kamu. There is someone who asked 15,000. So 15,000 in Luganda tugamba omutwalo gumu n'ekitundu. Omutwalo gumu n'enkumi ttaano oba omutwalo gumu chitundu. Omutwalo gumu chitundu, that is 15,000. Hope I've answered you. Okay, don't forget at Sam's Perfect Prints, you can go and print out anything you want to print out on t-shirts, banners, as I'm going to show you the number on which you can call at. So Sam's Perfect Prints has perfect prints for you. Okay, don't forget here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Bye bye. Welaba.
Ezona zosobola okutimba ngolanga essomero lyo tubikolera ddala ne bivaayo nga bulungi nnyo ab'amasaati tu brandinga bana abakyaki basaza type byonna tubikola mu mikwano tusaba mujje mutuwagireko tweyanziza.